If hail just crossed your Denver neighborhood, start the roof check from the ground and wait until lightning, wind, and slick surfaces are gone. Do not climb onto the roof to look for dents. Keep clear of downed power lines, broken branches, loose gutters, and damaged glass. If the structure is unsafe or electricity is involved, move away and contact the appropriate emergency authority. From a doorway or yard, photograph hail size, the affected sides of the home, dented metal vents or gutters, torn screens, and debris. Binoculars can help, but one dented object does not prove the condition of the roof covering. Inside, check the attic or top floor ceilings only from safe flooring. Look for fresh stains, dripping, damp insulation, or daylight where it should not be. Do not walk on ceiling joists hidden by insulation or touch wet wiring. Save storm timestamps, wide photos, and close photos before temporary cleanup. Contact your insurer for its documentation and claim process without assuming damage is covered. Be cautious with anyone demanding immediate signatures or full payment before a written scope. A trained roof inspection is warranted when roofing or flashing appears displaced, water enters, branches struck the roof, or you cannot assess it safely. Ask the inspector to separate observed damage from recommended work and provide photographs. To locate a hail roof service provider, call 877-320-4994. Again, that is 877-320-4994. This service connects callers with independent local providers. Availability varies by location.